So today we're now at Sepilok, and we're staying at Sepilok Jungle Resort. This morning all we did was leave sort of where we were staying near the base of Mount Kinabalu and made our way over here. So today is just a travel day, so I didn't video any of that. I'll get some video of footage of this amazing place. And then tomorrow we're going to go see the orangutans, the Sun Bear Conservation Centre, and then the Rainforest Discovery Centre. So it should be a good few days of rest and relaxation after the mountains. Just like a lot of the days in Borneo, the second it hit 6 o'clock, it became absolutely torrential rain and thunder and lightning. We had to the body as well. Yeah.